Now we will take up one more problem on projections of laminas, problem number 127, how to solve this problem by using AutoCAD. The problem reads as a circular lamina inclined to the VP appears in the front view as an ellipse of major axis 30 mm and minor axis 15 mm. The major axis is parallel to both HP and VP. One end of the minor axis is in both HP and VP. Draw the projections of the lamina and determine the inclination of the lamina with VP. So to do that, so this is the solution. So what you need to do is you have to write this by using AutoCAD software. So to do that, first we'll go for the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. The command is limits. So here specify lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210. Then zoom out. Now we go for line, select some arbitrary point, give the distance as 297 here, and then you give the distance as 210. Then again give the distance as 297 and say close. Then go to zoom, extends and zoom 0.6x. Now we go for layer. Command is layer. Click on new layer. Click on new layer. Type the layer by name XY. Enter. Click on new. Type the layer by name front view FV. And click on new. Type the layer by name top view TV. Now the layer 0 will going to have the line weight as 0.05. Say OK. Layer XY will going to have 0.13. OK. And layer front view will going to have the line weight as 0.5. OK. And the layer top view will going to have the line weight as 0.5. Now the top view will going to have the magenta color. And the front view will going to have blue color. And say OK. And say close. Now we need to draw this. To do that, first we're going to take up the front view. So now we'll go to draw a circle. Select some point and take the diameter as 30. Then we just go to zoom. Then go to PD mode. PD mode. Take it as 3 and then go to divide. Select this circle and divide this into 12 equal points. Then go to line. Select some arbitrary point and draw this horizontal line. Then go to line. Take node of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, take node of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line. Take node of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, node of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Now you just go to fillet between this line and this, and then fillet between these two. Then go to zoom previous, then go to zoom window. Now we go for erase. Select this entire thing and delete this. Remove from this and delete this line. Now you just go to this line, go to layer, take this as front view, and you just click on this, go to layer, make this layer as top view. Then go to break this line first point, take int of this and take at the rate. Then go to break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Now you make the layer display on. Then go to mirror, select this entire thing, mirror with reference to this line. So you will going to get the same thing. Now we need to go for zoom previous. So next we want to go for 30 mm by 50 mm. We want to draw the ellipse. To draw the ellipse, so what I need, so first we need to go for the front view. So from here, go to zoom window, then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line. Similarly, from here you draw a horizontal line. Similarly, from here you draw one more horizontal line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line. Then go to line, take nearest point on this and draw perpendicular to this line. So here what he says is the distance is 15. So we want to have offset, take 7.5 on this side and also on this side. Now once you do that, then you go to ellipse. Now you just take the center point. So take int of this and take the axis endpoint as this int of this, and then other specify a distance to other axis. So you take int of this. Then go to trim, select this, trim this line till here and this here. Then go to trim, select this and trim it. Then go to trim, select this and trim this. Now we need to go for, then go to circle, take int of this and take the radius as 30 now. Once you do that, then go to extend this boundary till here. Then go to zoom previous, then go to zoom window. Now you want to break this line till here. So you just take this and then go to erase this, then go to copy, select this entire thing, then go to intersection point of this and take int of this now. So once you do that, then go to rotate this with reference to base point, take end point of this and then take the reference, specify reference angle, you take end point of this, specify second point, end of this, then new angle, take int of this. So now we got this. Now we need to transfer all these points to the front view. Then go to line, take int of this and then go to line, take int of this, then go to line, take end point of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, line, take end point of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and object to trim as this. Then go to line, take end point of this and draw a horizontal line and take int of this and draw one more horizontal line. Then go to line, take end point of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, line, take end point of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between this and this and similarly trim this line with reference to this. Then go to extend this line till to this boundary. So this is how you will be able to get this ellipse. Then go to break this line. First point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Now you have break, select this first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break, select this first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Now you just go to this, go to layer, make it as front view. So now once you get this, now we have the point. Then you make one end of the minor axis is in both HP and both one end of axis in HP. So major axis is both, one end of the minor axis is in HP. So here this is the one, it appears in the front view. One end of the minor axis is in both HP and VP. One end of the minor axis is in both HP and VP. Draw the projections of the lamina. VP, and now we need to give it is on HP also. So since it is one end of the minor axis in both HP and VP, so obviously this point has to be on XY line. Now we need to copy this, take the copy command and draw this, and then go to rotate this and rotate it by 90 degree, then go to move, previous, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Now once you do that, then we have the line, so we need to get this point. So one end of the minor axis is in HP, so just go to line, take INT of this and go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line. So then go to fillet between this line and this. Similarly, then go to line, take INT of this and then go to line, take INT of this and draw horizontal line. Then go to line. So which are those two lines? Those two lines will come here. So line INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two and then go to trim, select this and trim this line. Then go to line, take INT of this and then go to line, take INT of this. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to trim, select this, trim this line till here. Then go to line, take INT of this. Then you take a line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two. So once you do that, then go to zoom window. Now you just go to line, take INT of this and take intersection point of this and take INT 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 of this and take intersection point of this and take INT of this and take INT of this and take INT of this and take close. Now you just go to P-edit, select this, then go to join, select all these 12 lines. Once you do that, then go to P-edit, select this as a fit curve, then you just go to select this, go to layer, make that layer as top view. So now one end of the minor axis is in both HP and VP. So here you just go to draw a line, go to extend, select this as a boundary and object to extend as this. Then go to erase this line. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw a horizontal line. Now we will go for DDIM, then go to modify, then primary units. So linear dimension, make it 0 and decimal up to second decimal point. And go to text, take the text height as 3 and align with the dimension line. Center becomes above. Take the offset from the origin as dimension line as 3 and arrow size as 3. Offset from the origin as 3. And then say OK and say close. Now we will go for dim. Take INT of this and take intersection point of this. And here you go to text, type percentage C 30. So you are going to get it as this point. Then go to angular dimension between this and this. Here you will going to get it as text. So give space, enter. So this will be the text. So now we need to go for dd. Here go to d text. So here you mark this point as 3, and this as x, capital X, and this as capital Y, and this as capital VP, and this as HP. And now here you mark this as A dash, this as D dash, this as G dash, here this as K dash. Then once you do that, so here you are going to get A, you are going to get D, you are going to get G, and here you are going to get it as K. Now you need to change this. So here I want to have, go to move, so you take X and you mark it as VP, and you mark it as HP. So you take A and you mark it as D, and you mark it as K, and you mark it as G. Here you have A dash, here you have D dash, here you have G dash, here you have K dash. So once you get this, so here you just make it layer, make that as top view, and then you just click on this, go to layer, make that as top view, and then you take A dash, D dash, G dash, and K dash, and you mark it as VP. Then go to layer, make this layer as front view. So once you do that, now we need to copy this. So here, to do that, first we are going to have dimension, take intersection point of this, and take int of this. So here you are going to get it as 15, and then go to nearest, then go to dim, take nearest on this, and draw perpendicular to this line. So here we are going to get it as 30 mm. So then just go to text. So here you just go to this, go to formatting, go to symbol, select symbol, mark it as small f5. Then go to move, select this and move it here. Then you copy, take this as A dash, and you mark it as D dash, and you mark it as G dash, you mark it as K dash, and copy this A dash here, and once you do that, then D dash will come here, then G dash will go there, and K dash will come here. So you just click on this, you click on this, so you're going to get it as layer, you mark this as XY. Once you do that, then just go to copy, select A, and then go to D, and then G, and then K. Then here go to D text, you type A, and you type D, you type G, and you type K. So this is how. Then you can D, here this is D, and this is G, and this is K, and this is A. So this is how you will be able to get this. So you just go to these 4 points, go to layer, make that layer as top view. Now you just write the answer, D text, and here you type answer. So the angle will be equal to 60 percentage D, which is the 60 degrees. Then you switch on the ortho mode. So you just copy this, then go to line, take end point of this, and then go to line, take nearest point on this, and then go to offset, take the distance as 6, then go to trim, select this as the object and this as the trimmed object. Then go to copy, select this and switch off the ortho mode. and copy this file here. Then go to move. So this is how you will be able to get this drawing complete. So this is your final solution, and you can see here one end of the minor axis is in both HP and PP. So this is how you will be able to solve this problem. Thank you.